Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart with you guys on SKLZ, as Skillz had an amazing run up today, and a lot of people have been wondering if it's going to continue going on to tomorrow or if it's going to possibly sell off as it has been previously. Now, again, Skillz has had one of the worst sell-offs in many stocks, as we have seen a ton of stocks on a sell-off. Skillz has been one of the worst, in my opinion, that a lot of people, in my opinion, have not expected. But I do like the company. I think at some point it will return, and I want to go over an exact analysis on which indicators we will be looking out for on the breakout on the swing play, and also going into tomorrow on the possible breakout going into tomorrow. And I also want to go over an exact alert that I will be setting so that way we do not miss out on it. So again, much love to everybody in the comment section as always, as you guys have been showing me tons of love. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts and alerts that we do set for every stock, so that way you guys do not miss out on them. So again, Skillz does have the capability of breaking out. We are going to see if this one can continue. Now I'm going to go over the 4 hour first, so that way we can see what we're looking at overall. Now, again, we had that huge sell-off. We still have the 50 MA above the 20. Ultimately, we want to start looking at this stock again when we see the 20 MA getting close to the 50. We did see this consolidation around 1935. So that is a huge wall that we are going to try to break out of. Again, that also was where we consolidated before we did break out on the IPO for this play. So again, we are going to go in the 15 minutes so we can see if we can have a quick scalp going into our next resistance at 1935 from the 4 hour. So overall, it looks like we do have a ton of buy volume that has been coming in. I'm going to set an alert right above our previous buy volume point right here. So you can see we do have buy volume that came in here, and then we actually have just under that some buy volume that did come in on a nice play. But however, we are going to set our alert right above this point. So that way we do get confirmation. So again, we're going to set it right above our volume point here, so that way we can get confirmation on a possible breakout. But however, we do see a decrease in buy pressure on the 15 minute. So ultimately we are in the red right here. So I am going to set an alert right above this point here, so we can I actually want to be alerted if we do get any buy pressure going into tomorrow. I want to see if this does increase in sell pressure, or if it does give us any buy pressure going into tomorrow. So I'm going to set an alert right here, and I'm also going to start one more alert right above our buy pressure point that we saw here. So that way, if it does break above this, then we'll see even more of a confirmation play going into at some point in this stock. So again, even if it does sell off, right, it has a huge sell off going into tomorrow, and it doesn't go as deep as we saw previously, and then it gets even more of a decrease in sell pressure, we could even see that reverse at some point, maybe in the next week or two. So that is why I'll set these alerts. So that way, even if it does sell off tomorrow, we still have these alerts for later. So that way we do have a play on Skillz. But however, going into tomorrow, like I said, we do need that volume to break out of our previous volume point to get to that point where we see at 1935 on that huge resistance that we saw on the 4 hour. So again, I'm going to go over that is on the scalp going into tomorrow. But however, on the 4 hour, you can see that we have that consolidated point at 1935. We are going to see if this can break over 1935. Ultimately, that's what we want to see. But we do see a lot of volume that has been coming in on the 4 hour. It's right below our previous sell volume that we did see. But however, we are oversold on the RSI on the 4 hour. So like I said, we could possibly see a continuation on this play going into tomorrow on the scalp play. But however, like I said, overall, it looks like we are going to need a little bit more consolidation on the 4 hour to give us that breakout that we're looking for, and also that 20 MA crossing above the 50. So again, Skillz will be on the watch for a nice breakout tomorrow, as they did go up about 33% today. And like I said, they could possibly break out. We're going to definitely have them on watch going into tomorrow. And also, we do have our alert set, so that way, if it does break out going into a swing trade or a day trade going into tomorrow, we do have both alerts set on the 15 minutes. So again, much love to you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying our entries and breakouts. And if you guys do have a watch list, tickers, questions, throw it in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys can like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. Much love to you guys. God bless you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.